Hi, I'm Kirk Banton, and in this video I will demonstrate to you how to install memory in your desktop computer. Of course, before I install my memory, I already gone ahead and remove the cover from the computer and follow all my safety procedures. I do not have an anti-static band, so what I did to ensure that I neutralize myself on the metal casing of the computer case. Now we're gonna go and install our memory in this desktop computer. Okay, the memory I'm gonna install is 2 gigabytes DDR2 PC2 640 memory made by Dell for this Dell Optiplex 745 computer. On the motherboard there are 4 different memory banks: DIMM1, DIMM2, DIMM3, and DIMM4. So now I'm gonna install my first bank of memory. Be careful to hold the memory by the edges so as not to touch the inner section of the memory slot. I'm gonna insert. Ensure that it's properly lined up. As soon as the notch is alright, I squeeze one end till I hear that click, and this notch will click in. Squeeze the other end, and there you go. My 2 ends are installed. Now I take my second bank of memory. I'm gonna install it on DIMM2, and of course we have to be careful once more how we hold our memory. And we put it in the slot, like one, slick 2. There you go, memory properly aligned. Now I'm gonna install my third bank of memory, and of course my memory, I place them on a anti-static bag for proper procedure in ensuring that they are not touching each other. It's one click, so this is my third bank of memory, and as soon as I'm aligning it proper, and of course I'd store my memories on anti-static bags and ensure that they were not touching each other. And just proper safety procedures, proper safety precautions. That's one click, second click, and there goes my third bank of memory. I'm gonna install my fourth in DIMM4, and of course remember you have to hold your memory on the outer edges, not to touch the inside. Of course, because you don't want to damage your memory. One click, second click, boom. There we go. There you have it. 2, 4, 6, 8 gigabytes of memory in 2 gigabytes each, and in 4 banks on a Dell Optiplex 740. Thank you very much.